In Mindoro's province, a sinking island is found in the ocean. Sinking island because it appears during daytime and sinks at nighttime. Will my friends and I conquer to stay there overnight? It was 4 p.m. when we decided to break the limits, even if the weather was not in good condition. We decided to go on.
Guys, so ngayon, ayan, mapunta na kami.
We came from Manila and spent thousands of pesos, so we did not let the opportunity pass not to go on with this.
Guys, ngayon medyo malapit na tayo. Hindi lang siya makita ng malayuan kasi lubog siya ngayon. Kasi ayun nga, since may bagyo, pero nalusaw naman na yung bagyo. So ito, ambon-ambon na lang.
Eh kung lubog pa ngayon yan, paano tayo mag-stay dyan? Mahirap ata yan, boss ah.
Here we go, guys! Andito na tayo, boy! Ito na, boy! Ito na tayo, bud! Ito na, bud!
Yan na yung...
Ito! Nakikita kayo ito!
Ito na yun.